The Check Forward Collision Avoidance Assist System warning in your Kia indicates a problem with one of your vehicle's most important safety features. The Forward Collision Avoidance System uses radar sensors and cameras to continuously monitor the road ahead, detecting potential obstacles and hazards. Several common issues can trigger the FCA warning. The most frequent cause is sensor obstruction from dirt, snow, ice, or debris blocking the radar or camera sensors. Other causes include software glitches, physical sensor damage from impacts, and calibration drift that occurs over time, especially in older vehicles. Recent data shows that 8 to 12% of Kia vehicles experience FCA system warnings annually, with higher rates in vehicles 3 to 5 years old and those exposed to harsh weather conditions. Modern Kia FCA systems have significantly improved, featuring enhanced radar sensitivity, multi-sensor fusion technology, machine learning capabilities, and over-the-air update compatibility in 2023 and newer models. When functioning properly, FCA systems provide significant safety benefits, reducing rear-end collisions by 27% according to industry data, making it crucial to address any warning messages promptly. The first step in troubleshooting your FCA system is thorough sensor cleaning. Start by locating the front radar sensor and camera, typically mounted behind the grille and rear view mirror. If cleaning doesn't resolve the warning, try a complete system reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart. You can also access the Vehicle Settings menu to manually reset the FCA system. For persistent warnings, advanced diagnostics are needed. Use an OBD2 scanner to read fault codes. Common FCA-related codes include B6020, U0100, and C1611. These codes help identify the specific component causing the issue. Some issues require professional attention. Sensor calibration is essential after windshield replacement and must be performed by certified technicians. Software updates can resolve known bugs and should be checked regularly. Prevention is key to avoiding future FCA warnings. Clean sensors monthly, schedule annual professional inspections, and address warning lights promptly. Regular maintenance significantly reduces system failures and ensures optimal safety performance.